Yo guys, we are on our way to Vaishno Devi and we are on a horse. So we'll be going to Vaishno Devi on a horse and we will continue from there via cable car to Barod and then we will be coming back and that will be a suspense for you guys. The scenery now is just awesome, so let me just show you that. So we just took a break from the horse ride, did our the police checking done, and now we are going to have lunch and continue on the horse. So we just had our lunch here and we are going to continue our journey from here. We'll meet our horses a bit ahead and we'll be meeting them and we'll be going with the horses, like we'll be going on the horse, enjoying. So I'll meet you back at the horse. Guys. Bye bye. So we're having a bit of fun here and we are back on our horse en route to the Bhavan from Ardhkwari. Uday Mama. So let's move, friend. So we will be, I'll reach once we her horse is acting a bit weird and stubborn and mine is running very well, and this is the Hathi Mata route, which is a bit harder than the normal route. The normal route is called I guess forgot the name, no worries. But that's having easier incline, so it will be easy to go up. So I'll meet you at the Bhavan. Till then, let's move back. Hey guys, we became very late in actually finishing our darshan, and we are now on our way back to our electric car which we have booked from Bhavan to Ardhkwari, and we are really late to do it. So we are just running and we have to catch up the vehicle or else they're going to lose us. Some night view of Vaishno Devi Katra. We are going to our lockers. So guys, what happened here was we had brought jasmine flower from our area, like it was village grown jasmine flowers which is famous in our area, like people tell it Mangalore Mallige. So we had brought it all the way from our area and we had given it to Mataji. So Mataji had accepted it, and it was like Aarti time, and just before the Aarti time we had our first darshan. and we had given the flower and sari, and both were given to Mataji, and the pujari said that he will be putting it in this very same aarti. So then we actually were very late for Bhairav Mandir. As the cable car was about to close, we just ran towards Bhairav Mandir, and we were barefoot in freezing cold temperatures. So literally my legs were dying, and due to the temperature even my phone battery was going very down, and I did not have any power bank or anything, so I could not shoot anything much. And our phone was in the locker also, and we did not have time to go to the locker, so we just ran towards the cable car, did 3 tickets, and went up, did darshan in the Bhairav Mandir, came down, and we were the last to go in the cable car. And then another thing what happened was, then we came here and saw that we had left our prasad which we had given for seva, and that was already closed, and it was opening after the aarti, that is at 8 o'clock. We reached there at 5:30, and then we were feeling very hungry, so we actually had some snacks, and then we brought some body warmers and winter wears from our locker. And that time also we did not bring our phone because there was a very long line, so we waited in the line for second darshan, and we went through the line, and we did our second darshan. And as you might have heard in the background, my mom said if the photo has come very nicely in Kannada, that is about that same photo which I had ran towards the locker and brought my phone and took it from the CCTV. So I'll just attach the photo at the last also for you guys, don't worry. And you just see the beauty of Mataji with Mangalore Mallige flowers. So after this I could not shoot anything because my phone battery was fully dead. Then actually what we did was, we had this electric car. It was a Mahindra car. We had booked it very long time back online, so we had paid for it, and we actually had a online booking parchi which we had to show there and get our tickets. And we were very late to that also. That is why I was running towards the CCTV to take the photo and ran back barefoot. So we came in this electric car till Adikwari, and from Adikwari we actually had taken the number for Garbagunj, but we just missed it. So we asked the policeman to do something, and he actually allowed us for the next batch, but we did not have enough time, so we gave it to some other guy who was waiting there. One family was waiting, so we gave it to them, and they went in our place, and we continued down till Katra in horses. So from there the hotel guy came us to pick up, and we went in the hotel vehicle to the room. And till here was Katra, and from now will come Himachal, Punjab. Guys, good morning. Today we are in a very new location in Mansur village, and there is a very good lake out here. Let me just show you the lake. And yesterday I did not shoot anything because I was really tired, and we came to the room really very late.
I wanna take a ride on your body. All I wanna do with you is a party. A night with you is always freaky. Let's take a drive, I like it risky. All I want you to do is make me moan. I wanna go searching for the unknown. A night with you is always crazy. Let's take a ride, I'll let you taste it. Let you taste it. Let you taste it. Let you taste it. Let you taste. 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 Let you taste.
Guys, you saw so many fishes. There is nothing so much special here. Actually a music festival is going on, so there are a lot of people here. The crowd is not there now, but I guess the music festival is gonna happen in the evening. But we'll not wait for that long. We are just gonna move ahead and we'll go back and we'll go to Pathankot where we are going to have our lunch. So we'll meet you in Pathankot now. If I get some good roads, I'll just drop it in a cinematic shot.
Always freaky. Let's take a drive, I like it risky. I want you to do is make me moan. I wanna go searching for the unknown. A night with you is always crazy. Let's take a ride, I'll let you taste it. Let you taste it. Let you taste it. Let you taste it. Let you taste. 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 Let you taste. I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee, and he fills it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in. It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She is shaking her umbrella, and I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them, and instead I pour the milk. Do 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 do
we are at our room now. We just reached Dalhousie and we booked a room here and we have settled in. We'll be moving out in almost 5 to 10 minutes to the market. So yeah, now let me give you a quick room tour. This is the room. There is a balcony also out here. You can see this is the balcony. Let me on the flash. Pretty cool balcony. Here is the street view, which will be visible in the day night. Let me show you the view out here. It's really very nice. This is inside. It's a simple room. We don't want much. We got this for around 2,500 a night. It's according to Google, it is 16 degrees now. Here's my mom.
Hi.
So we are on our way to just see Gandhi Chowk Bazaar. So we'll just have a bit of we'll just roam around here till it closes.
Counter for the man to pour the coffee. feels it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in. It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who's coming. She is shaking her umbrella, and I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them, and instead I pour the milk.
So that's it for today, guys. Let me meet you on another vlog on another day. Till then, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.